This is the Aarke Carbonator Pro. The Carbonator Pro is a premium sparkling water maker in a contemporary design with a smooth one-handed operation. It's made from stainless steel and comes with a glass bottle which is 100% dishwasher safe. The Carbonator Pro has a sliding cover on the front that encapsulates the glass bottle for safety. The Carbonator Pro is compatible with standardized 60-litre CO2 cylinders available from most major brands. It's also safe and it has multiple internal safety valves. The carbonation process is a smooth one-handed operation with a unique push-to-lock feature, allowing you to make fresh sparkling water with a push of a button. Simply fill the glass bottle with water, ensuring not to go above the fill line. Then place the bottle into the base, push down the cover and press the carbonation button for a few seconds. It's quick and easy. The Carbonator Pro is made from high quality materials and looks absolutely beautiful from any angle. It's also entirely powered by the CO2 cylinder. It has no cords and requires no electricity, so you can use it wherever you want. Making sparkling water at home has never been this elegant or easy. For a limited time, get £10 off the Aarke Carbonator Pro. Visit MyGizzmo.com and use code GIZMO10. Hit the link in bio now.